The world needs some inspiration. We get inspired and make someone a role model or idol to be followed.
Bloom in awe.
The Gawri Community Development Program, GCDP, is a local, officially registered non-governmental organization dedicated to community development in Kalam through the provision of education and health facilities. Among other activities, in 2008, the GCDP engaged in a significant effort in the Kalam area, aimed at the introduction and acceptance of mother tongue-based multilingual education, MLE. After mobilization of the community towards acceptance and acknowledgement of mother tongue-based multilingual education, the first ever school was established in Kokonail Village in 2008. In the classes administered by this project, children begin to learn to read, write, and perform math in their own native language, Gawri. While in the course of the program, important languages of wider communication, Urdu and English, are gradually introduced. In August 2008, 2 pilot schools were established in Kalam. The teachers in both schools used multilingual curriculum materials that had been developed by the project team. By April 2011, the first batch of students had finished the 3-year program, and many of them continued their education in grade 2 and higher in the government school system. Currently, 5 MLE classes are in progress in different locations in the Kalam area, which are upgraded to grade 5 with the help of the curriculum development team. Although the initial MLE efforts were regarded as indifferent, if not hostile, by most of the Gawri community, now that the classes are in operation and students who have gone through the program do well in the government school system, a watershed change of attitude seems to have happened in the community, as witnessed by continuing requests for more MLE classes, as well as the overwhelming attendance each year at the celebration of World Literacy Day. Finally, with the great breakthrough in the education system in Gawri-speaking areas by introducing MTB MLE, GCDP has expanded its MLE program in the Upper Deer District. 3 new schools were established in Lamoti, Kalkot, and GR villages. From 2008 to 2024, total 652 students enrolled in GCDP's MLE schools.